Hi guys, in this video we will see very important and essential feature of your Apple Watch, such as you can easily take ECG, heart rate, change. See how to use the hand washing feature on your Apple Watch, including how to turn it on, set up the timer and get reminders to wash your hands properly. The hand washing protection detection feature on Apple Watch helps you stay healthy and hygienic by automatically starting a 29-second timer. So here are the process. Go to your Apple Watch and go to your app section, and here scroll down and look for the option settings. Tap on settings on your Apple Watch series 10 or any other. Here scroll down and you will find a feature naming hand washing. Tap on it. Hand washing timer. Turn the toggle button on. Apple Watch can detect when you are washing your hands and start a 20-second timer. So this turn the toggle button on and hand washing timer will automatically work. When you try to wash your hand, it will detect and set a timer for 20 seconds. Hand washing reminders, also you can turn this feature on, receiving a notification if you have not washed your hands within a few minutes of returning. So hand washing would like to send you notifications. Notification may include alerts and sounds. This can be configured in settings, so you may allow or don't allow from here. So you can easily check your hand washing notifications when you get home. This also requires precise location, so allow while using app or allow once, or so choose any as per your choice. Hand washing reminders. When you return home, a reminder will be received on your Apple Watch. How to change, add and customize watch faces on your Apple Watch. We will see in Apple Watch series 10 step by step. You will see here. Go to your Apple Watch and tap and hold on your face, Apple Watch face. Such type of a screen appear. Simply slide left to right to choose a new face for your Apple Watch. If you want to add a new face to your Apple Watch, simply tap on plus sign, and here you will find a lot of Apple Watch faces wallpaper here. Various type of categories appear here. Choose any one as per your choice. Tap on it and you can add a new watch faces to your Apple Watch series 10. Simply tap on add and choose any watch faces which you want to add to your Apple Watch, and it will accordingly add to your Apple Watch face. Tap on it. How to take, record and use ECG app on your Apple Watch. Measure heart rhythm and defects AFIV. So here are the process. You can easily take and measure your ECG through your Apple Watch. Go to your menu and here you will find ECG app. Tap on it. Here such type of screen appear. Hold your finger on the crown. So hold your finger on the crown and your watch should be on the wrist. So put on your watch to your wrist and hold your finger on the crown of your Apple Watch. So such type of screen appear. Hold your finger on the crown and you can see it will take 30 seconds. It helps to rest your arms. Apple Watch never checks for heart attacks. So wait till 30 seconds. It will measure your heart rate and take a ECG report. Recording stopped due to a poor reading, so don't remove your finger from your crown. and keep stable your Apple Watch. Put your wrist on your table so that your wrist and Apple Watch will be stable. Once successfully completed, it will show here sinus rhythm 92 BPM average. This ECG. This ECG does not show signs of atrial fibrillation. So Apple Watch cannot check for sign of a heart attack. If you believe you are having a medical emergency, call emergency services. How to check your heart rate using the Apple Watch and how to monitor your heart rate directly from your wrist. You will learn how to use the heart rate app, understand BPM readings and view your heart rate history in the Apple Health Settings app. Here are the process. Go to your Apple Watch, go to your app section. Here scroll down and you will find an app naming heart rate. Tap on it. Heart rate shows you current heart rate and daily summarize view your history in the health app on your iPhone or iPad. So tap on next. Now put the watch on your wrist so that Apple Watch could measure your heart rate. Now you can see Apple Watch measuring your heart rate. Wait few seconds and current heart rate you will see it will slightly change as per your heart condition.